All right, Josh. Yeah, here at the Skydive Center. You're not harnessed up yet, but we're about to go out of a plane. What do you think about that?
I'm thinking I'm gonna have fun.
I think you will too.
I hope I have fun. Let's put it that way.
Right on, man. But we're going to 14,000 feet today. That's almost 3 miles in the sky. You nervous?
I don't think I will be till I jump out of the plane.
Yeah. Once you get in the door, I bet there's gonna be a good look on your face.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah, let's go.
Right on, man. All right, well, we're gonna get your gear on, go grab my gear, and I'll meet you right over there at that plane.
Okay.
Awesome. What did you think, Josh?
I won't do it again, but I had fun.
You won't do it again?
I don't think I will.
Why is that? Let me help you up. Come on.
Thank
Right
you.
on. High five. Right on, man. Well, get over here with the guy that just saved your life.
Hey, nice job, Josh.
Let's get a picture.
Absolutely.
1, 2, no, together real quick.
All right.
1, 2, and 3. Thanks for flying with us, man. We won't see you next time, but thanks for coming this time.